Nano Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Wear in Pampanga communities. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Flavors by Amzel. Let me show you their logo. You can check them out on Facebook and Instagram. So sa Instagram, it's Flavors by Amzel, and sa Facebook, guys, sabi nila it's Amzel's. Yan. So thank you so much for their message. More power to you guys, Wear in Pampanga, sabi nila. So more power to you as well, Amzel's. And on our table, guys, their flavorful, what do you call this? Mga gourmet. Yan. So these are their flavorful gourmets. So actually, guys, nag-photoshoot kami kanina and we had to, show them kung ano yung actual na itsura nila per package natin dito. So let me go first on the, on my left side. This is their Gourmet Tuyo, which is packed like this. Ayan. So let me just taste na lang dito, no? Oh wow! You know what? I don't know what does gourmet means sa culinary term, no? Pero para sa akin, kapag when it's gourmet, parang it amplifies and it adds more flavor. So this is just a simple tuyo, pero check out it, guys. No, meron tayong carrots, meron tayong bell pepper, you have your garlic, meron tayong dahon ng laurel, and para mas spicy, steely. I wanna taste it more. One more. Oh wow. For sure this is gonna be great, partnered with a hot steamed rice or a garlic rice, parang ganun. Alright. So meron din silang dried pusit and dried dilis. Now, ang flavor dito, we have original sweet and the other one is sweet and spicy. So I think we were able to get yung sweet and spicy nila. So let me just, taste it like this. Oh wow. Alam nyo, guys, whenever I taste, wow, that is so hot. Whenever I taste, a dried pusit or a dried dilis, I can still remember my, childhood when usong-uso yung mga ganito nung in grade schools mo yan, 1 peso per pack. And yeah, it goes back to, memory. Well, going back here, wow, sarap sila. Pero I think for me, it's a little bit, it's a little bit salty. But I think yun naman talaga yung I think that's the purpose of gourmeting this kind of dishes na kasi parang ina-add mo siya sa other dishes like ensalada, sa mga sinangag, because you don't need to add flavor pa if you have this one. So this already gives the actual flavor of your dish. Tingnan naman natin yung pusit. I think tamang-tama lang yung spiciness niya. It doesn't sting your throat or your mouth. So the packages are like these. This is their dried pusit. And then the other one is the dilis. Alright. Okay, so next to introduce you guys, meron din silang Sambal Paste. Ayan, so this has, become popular. This one is Indonesian chili paste. Ayan. So, actually, guys, per region or per country, iba-iba yung parang variations ng sambal paste. But then again, sambal paste, ang pinaka-component talaga niyan is, of course, yung chili. Depende sa country, iba-iba yung herbs and spices na ina-add nila dito. So, let me get a pinch of this because I know this is really, really spicy and hot. Wow! Wow! For me, it tastes a little bit sweet, medyo savory din, no? And then it is really hot. Yun yung sinasabi ko, guys. When it's sambal paste, it's not the ordinary chili paste. It's actually savory. So may iba pang mga flavor yan. And then lastly, we have our Amzel's Bagoong. Ayan. You know what? Perfect siya partnering, a mango fruit, any sour vegetable or fruit, no? And then, or sa mga sausawan. Yeah. Okay, guys, so if you're interested to know more about Amzel's, check out their fan page or their Instagram. When you do order from them, they would highly appreciate any feedback coming from us. So make sure to give them feedback. Alright, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. You know what? I'm gonna go downstairs. Teternohan namin ng mangga tong bagoong na pinadala nila. And then probably later tonight, I'm gonna go for this one tuyo, hot steamed rice sa Gourmet Tuyo. You know what? I'm missing this after all those, chicken wings and steaks, burgers na pinadala dito. At the end of the day, I'm still, looking for a homemade dish partnered with a Gourmet Tuyo like this. So thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Any reaction is highly appreciated from you guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.